Welcome back. You will also want to know how to insert images into your page or how to edit images. And the easiest way to do that again is going to be to use your insert command. And then you'll be able to use the image link to do that. Now, if you have an image already on the page and you're looking to edit, if you highlight the image, you'll be able to look at the code and how images are formed in HTML. So what we're going to do is we're going to raise this up. We're going to highlight this image so that you can see the code highlighted. And what you'll notice is that there is a specific way that images are stated. Now, images typically do not have an opening and closing tag. You'll see here that the image starts with the open bracket, has IMG, which represents image, SRC, which represents source, equal, and then you will need to have the URL where this set of files is. In some cases, what you may need to do is you may need to write in the entire URL in order for it to appear properly on the web. You'll see after the image that there's a space, you'll have class, and then there's an attribute there which talks about responsive. Anything that we're going to do in terms of dimensions, we are going to do after the image, and then we're going to close the whole tag with the backslash and then the bracket. So one of the things that we can do is we can look to find a different image. Let's say that what we wanted to do is we wanted to change this image and wanted to change it to something that's already uploaded. What we would do is we would go to the images folder and find another image. So in this case, we could switch with any of the images that are already in the folder that are on the web along with our index file. So we can change this with dvd.png or ebooksmall.png. So for the sake of this video, let's change the image to dvd.png. And you'll see we have the new text here, and we have the text from within the images folder. If we click inside of our WYSIWYG editor, we're going to notice then that the image changes to DVD. We can do the very same thing again by finding a different image. For example, we can use the image resource large. You see we've written in the image name, and what we're going to do now is we're just going to click inside of our WYSIWYG editor, and you'll see that this image will change. So the way to insert an image is going to be that we're going to use the IMG space, then SRC, and then we're going to have the URL within the quotations. Now again, if we're working from a folder where our index file is, we don't have to put the entire URL there. However, if we do, then we are going to have to use the entire URL. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.